Hi, Dexter. What are we doing?
Taking the mirrors off.
What?
Taking the mirrors off.
Mirrors off what?
Cybertruck.
A Cybertruck. Let me see. Oh yeah, we are. We're literally deleting the mirrors off the Cybertruck. Jonathan, Cybertruck.
Hello.
We're taking the mirrors off the Cybertruck. Jonathan, why are we taking the mirrors off the Cybertruck?
Because we can.
Exactly. All right, just a random, Saturday thing to do. No big deal. See ya. What'd you do that for?
I don't want it on.
All right, so clip here, in case anyone wants to know. 3 screws. There's an access panel on the side. Pop it out. Pop the red clip off. Pull the plug out. And then I'm gonna put tape over this plug so the water doesn't get in it. And then I printed these. Actually, Riley printed these. So one of these is a right, one of these is a left. That's the wrong one. So this should go in here like this and match up with the trim. And this is just a 3D printed part. So that's what we're going to put in its place.
That's wild.
So there it is. I printed it out of, Riley printed it out of clear PTEG, turned out white, and then black trim. So if we got a piece of this vinyl wrap, we can wrap that. And then it'll look really good. Dude, it looks so much better without the mirrors.
Yeah.
So in case anyone wants to know, you just pull this off like that. Then this piece and this piece are 3D printed and they just sit in there. That's it. It's that simple. All right, let's do the other side and then show you what it looks like.
Find myself in another vehicle looking for the picture.
Yeah, exactly. 1 mirror delete. Good job, Dexter. 2 mirror delete. Man, that thing looks just so much better without mirrors on it. Alright, well, there's your Saturday fun. Just, deleting mirrors off Cybertrucks. No big deal.